In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a reminder in Slack. If you use Slack reminders to stay on top of tasks, deadlines, or follow-ups, it's a good idea to clear them out once they're no longer needed. Doing that helps keep your notifications organized and prevents old reminders from continuing to show up in your workflow. The good news is that Slack makes this very simple, and you can do it directly through Slackbot. To get started, open Slack on your computer. You can use either the desktop app or the web version in your browser, depending on how you normally access your workspace. Once Slack is open, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the Direct Messages section. In that area, click on Slackbot to open your private conversation with Slack's built-in assistant. If you don't immediately see Slackbot listed, don't worry. Just go to the search bar at the top of Slack, type in Slackbot, and select it from the results. That will take you straight into the correct chat. This is the place where Slack handles personal reminder commands, so it's where you'll manage any active reminders tied to your account. With the Slackbot conversation open, move down to the message field at the bottom of the window and click inside it. Then type the command /remind list. This tells Slack to show you your current active reminders in one place. Make sure you enter the command exactly as needed so Slack recognizes it properly. After you send that command, Slackbot will return a list of your active reminders. This list is helpful because it lets you quickly review what's still scheduled. From there, you can identify the reminder you no longer need and remove it from your active list. A good tip here is to read through the reminder details carefully before deleting anything, especially if you've created several reminders that sound similar. That helps you avoid removing the wrong one and keeps your schedule accurate. Once you've found the reminder you want to delete, use the options Slack provides in the reminder list to cancel or remove it. As soon as it's deleted, it will no longer trigger future notifications, which helps keep your Slack timeline clean and uncluttered. And that's it. By opening Slackbot and using the remind list command, you can quickly locate your active reminders and clear out the ones you no longer need.